How to take care of hair systems? Let's go. Choose your hair system. I'll go with this one. Get the hair system to the sink and get the tangles off with comb. Use some cold water. Choose conditioner and shampoo of your choice. I'll go with these ones. Cover the hair system with the shampoo and remember to clean off the base because that gets the most dirt. Rinse. Add some conditioner, like so. And after a few minutes, you should rinse it off. After the rinsing, I only added some leave-in conditioner and you toss it like this. It's ready for styling after it dries and ready for use. I hope that this was helpful. Bye!